Kajala Megalaya HADUH Shibaje Minski Jonka Arpo Arthric Nailar Arja Arpo, Kaladan Kandai Pulangot Kibiotamayo COVID-19 but Arpo would Kiblakoi no. Director Health Service, Dr. Amanwar, Hapakrem Club Thakubor, Ulapante Benagini Kandai Pulangot Kibiotamai, Henry Pundre would Kidenaka East Castle District, Hakaba Arpo would Kidenaka Armed Force but paramilitary force, Sausan would Kiriu Paitba. Kandai would no West Garo Hills District, Kibakantu Biasangut Kishipai BSF, San would Kiriu Paitba. Argut na Ribhoi District, Chipogut ki Rupait ba na West Khasi Hills District, Argut na North Garo Hills District, Bat Sangut na East Jante Hills District. Nakini ki Arpongut ki Bakoit Mentagasngi, Katsangut ki na West Garo Hills District, Hakabalangut ki ki Rupait ba, Barkar Argut na Armed Force, but paramilitary force, Ribhoi District Iway, West Jante Hills District Iway, Langut na East Khasi Hills District, ki Bakintu bi Iway na Armed Force, but paramilitary force, but Argut ki Rupait ba. The Kajinga Thamai Nika Kandai Pulangut, but Kajin Koinoki Arpongut, Kajala Megalaya Hadu Bapumi Yakanika Kubor, Kadon Shiajar, Praspa, Harway Taliki positive case, Shiajar Lipusan Taliki active case, Newspa and Rip Kandai Taliki recovered case, but Nyongut Kiblaklat no. Nakiniki Shiajar Lipusan Taliki active case, K East Khasi Hills District Kadon, Newspa and Ripu Artali, Hakaba Arspa South Pulangut Kidenaka Armed Force, but military force, but South Park had Kandangut Kiriu Paitba. West Khasi Hills District Kadon Arpo Prataliki active case, Southwest Khasi Hills District Kawai, Ribhoi District Kandai Pulai, West Jainti Hills District Lai, East Jainti Hills Khadar, West Garo Hills Arspa Khatsan, Southwest Garo Hills Sau, South Garo Hills R, East Garo Hills Lai, but North Garo Hills Khadar Taliki active case.
The number of new positive cases is 93. East Khasi Hills 66, 21 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 45 others. West Khasi Hills 9, 4 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 5 others. Ribhoi 2, West Khasi Hills 10, North Garo Hills 2, East Jante Hills 4. The number of total active cases is 1035. East Khasi Hills 662. Out of this 662, armed forces, paramilitary forces 243. Others 419. West Khasi Hills 28, Southwest Khasi Hills 1, Ribhoi 93, West Jante Hills 3, East Jante Hills 12, West Garo Hills 215, Southwest Garo Hills 4, South Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills 3, North Garo Hills 12. The number of cases who have recovered as of today is 20. Out of this 20, West Garo Hills 15, 12 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 3 from others. Ribhoi 1, West Jante Hills 1, East Khasi Hills 3, 1 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 2 others. The total number of cases recovered so far is 769, and the total number of deaths is 7. The number of samples sent for testing as of today till 2 p.m. is 72,409. Total number of persons who tested negative as of today is 70,019. The number of test results awaited is approximately 579. And the number of people who entered the state as of today till 2 p.m. is 30,005.